Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you the best settings and the sensitivity for your PUBG mobile. So firstly, just simply go to settings, and then the first changes that you have to do is in control. So just simply go in controls. Now over there, just simply enable and disable few settings like the scope setting. First select hold, then enable quick scope, then disable camera rotation while ADS, then again scroll down, then enable peak settings, then in lean mode choose hold. Now go to advanced control, enable quick throw over here and universal marker as well, enable tap to mark location. Now the next setting is graphics and audio, so just simply go there, and now this is my personal choice for graphics setting. If you want, you can use this or you can choose up to your choice. So I use currently HDR as graphics, extreme for frame rate, and in style I choose colorful, and scroll down and choose 4x for anti-aliasing over here. In the colorblind mode, you can choose whichever you want to choose because it is up to you. If you want to enable disable shadow, you can do over here as well. I keep my brightness up to 135%, and if you want, you can also do auto adjust graphics. Now what I usually do is, sometimes I even change my graphics to smooth and 90 fps if I'm in a very tough or a crowded place or in the last few zones. So you can also use this if you want to. Now the main thing that you are waiting for is the sensitivity. So firstly, just simply go to sensitivity, and I'm going to show you the sensitivity for my M4. So you can just simply pause the video and copy the exact settings if you want to. After you're done with the sensitivity, just simply go to crosshair, and the color that I use for my crosshair is black. For the red dot side, I choose the second style option. In the holographic, I choose the color green because it is much more visible. In the candid side, I again use the second style and the color black. In 2x, again green, and 3x green as well. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.